too was great because
a lot of the key takeaways that I got from today was the far-reaching impacts of all the new laws around psychological safety, and also how important it is for me as a business owner to be across this information, because if I'm not, let's face it, there are a lot of ramifications that particularly apply to my business and also to me personally.
an employee can ask another employee, no matter what it says in the contract, they can say, Corinne, how much do you get paid?
I think speaker-wise, so Jonathan, I've attended a couple of his presentations and I've worked with him from a legal perspective for many, many years, and I always find he has this innate ability to take legal jargon and lingo and break it down to a really workable forum. And be able to engage with him on an everyday level. So you can then take that information away without being sort of bombarded or overwhelmed with legal speak, and then put those practical steps into place within your organisation.
The way that Jonathan interacts and gets the information across, I think is really good, because not only will it appeal to a business owner or senior director, but also you can flow down to more junior members of the team, and he takes what's a relatively dry topic and makes it really interesting and engaging, and it's also fun to win chocolates too throughout the competition within the workshop itself.
I think what's really positive is that we've given some frameworks, you know, to actually take away, that we can actually go and implement straight away into some of our challenges addressing these issues.
I would definitely recommend this course to other owners and also executives in business. The reason why is because whether they like it or not, whether I like it or not, this is applicable to all businesses that operate in Australia, and we have to be across this information in order to employ the right people and also look after them in the way that we should, so they deliver effectively on a day-to-day basis.